Hey guys, it's Mr. Goliath again. One last thing as you are recording today. Once you save your files, or once you're about to, make sure you are exporting these files as a WAV. And the biggest thing you want to watch out for, once you put it in the right place, and remember that's inside your ID number, inside your 8 comp apps folder, inside audio. The big thing is to name these files in a way that's going to make it easy when you piece these together, because you're going to end up with 12 or 13 different files, and you're going to want to know which is which. So I might put something for this file like DQ1 fact1, or if maybe I recorded the whole paragraph as one, which you can do. It's more challenging. You might have more glitches and it might take longer, but if it goes well, you could just call it DQ1 facts. And then I would hit save and export it that way. Click OK. And now it's there. But the naming of the files is super important. So make sure we're as specific as we can. Good luck.